Good morning, class. Good morning, dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and well, and you all are healthy. So, we have already done our course, but today we are doing a revision of chapter number 17, that is calendar. Okay, first of all, can anyone tell me what is today's date? Can anyone of you tell me that what is today's date? As you all know, that today is 13th January 2026. Okay, today is 13. So the date of today is 13. One, what is one here? It is month. Which month is the first one? It is January. And this is the month we are in. And what does the 13 here show? 13 shows the date. Okay, so what is today's date? Today is 13. Which month we are in? We are in January. And 26, what is 26 here? 26 is the year. So we have a date, month, and year according to it. Now, is there something to keep the track of the dates, day, or month? Yes, we do have a document from which we can keep the track of date, days, and years according to us, like how we can manage our events, manage our exams, our holidays, and our birthdays, the birthdays of our relatives. All of these can be managed through a document that is known as calendar. Fine. Today we are going to read about that specific thing, which is a calendar, and by the end of this class you will be able to track calendar and which day lies on your birthday, when is your exams. All of this you can do in your when we end the class. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so we shall start with our topic. Let's Leo's great time adventure, a journey through the calendar. Okay, this person here is Leo. His name is Leo. Okay, his adventure we are going to do now. If you have any questions regarding it or anything you want to say, you can write on the chat box and we will discuss that. Leo's big question, what is a calendar? Leo को क्या नहीं पता है? Leo doesn't know that what is a calendar. What is a calendar? You know that calendar is a document or a piece of paper, or we can say calendar is a document that keeps the track of date, day, and year of the life we are going through. Okay, Leo the explorer wants to understand time. He wants to understand time. What is a day? एक डे क्या होता है? How many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? What is a year? एक ईयर क्या होता है? He wonders. उसे ये सब नहीं पता है. He doesn't know what is a year. How many days are there in a week? And what is a day? He doesn't know all of that. So what we will do today? We will help him build a map of the calendar piece by piece. We will help him understand what is a calendar. How do we recognize the time, and how do we track time, date, day in a calendar? Okay, are you all ready with me? You can write in the chat box if you are ready. Just write yes. Type in there in the live chat box. Okay, first of all, what do we have here? The first building block, one day, means the building block from which the day starts, from which the time starts, week, year, months. What are these all made up of? These are all made up of a day, one day. This is the first building block of our calendar. Everything starts with a single day. A day is one block on our map of time. That means when we start talking about what is time, what is a week, what is a month, what is a year, all of it goes through a day. It starts with one day. Okay, let's move ahead. The basic block, the basic first block of the time is one day. And when we get 7 days, when we get seven such days, what does it make? It makes 1 week. 7 days make 1 week. 7 days are made up of 1 week. So we can say 1 week is equal to 7 days. See here, you can clearly see that 1 week is equal to 7 days. 7 days combined together to form 1 week. When we put 7 day blocks together, we build something new. That is called a week. And there are 7 days in a week. Fine. Let's move ahead quickly. Let's meet the days of the week. Okay, let's meet the days of the week. That first of all, we know that there are 7 days in a week. हमें ये पता है कि एक वीक में 7 days कैसे होते हैं. बट वी शुड नो द नेम्स ऑफ द डेज. हमें उन डेज की नेम भी पता होने चाहिए. एंड वी शुड ऑल्सो नो द ऑर्डर एंड सीक्वेंस ऑफ दीज डेज. लाइक दीज आर नॉट रैंडमली पुट टुगेदर. ऐसे रैंडमली इनको नहीं रखा गया है दैट one day is this, then second is this. They follow a correct order and sequence when they form a week. Let's talk about it. The first day. The first day is here. That is Monday. The first day of the week is Monday. Second, Tuesday. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Third, Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Next, Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Then Friday. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. And Sunday is the seventh day of the week, or we can say Sunday is the last day of the week. So when we start from first to last day, that is first to seventh day, we go from Monday to Sunday. See, Monday is the first day of the week, Tuesday is the second day, Wednesday is the third, Thursday is the fourth, Friday fifth, Saturday sixth, and Sunday seventh. These are the particular days and the particular sequence from which we get the week. Okay, so we can simply say that we have 7 days in a week starting from Monday and it ends in on Sunday. So we can do some random questions here. First question for you is, which is the seventh day of the week? Can you all tell me which is the seventh day of the week? Seventh day कौन सा है बेटा week का? Seventh day of the week is, if you know the answer, you can type in the chat box. What is the question? The question is, which is the seventh day of the week? यानी कि वीक का सेवेंथ डे कौन सा है, और वी कैन से which is the last day of the week. If you know, you can write the answer in the chat box. That what is the seventh day of the week? Okay, fine. If we talk about the seventh day of the week, it is Sunday. Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Sunday, Sunday. Next question, which is the first day of the week? When we are talking about the first day of the week, it means that the week starts with this particular day. Which is this day? The week starts with which day? It starts with Monday. The first day. First day of the week is Monday. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next question is, what lies between Wednesday and Friday? Which day lies between Wednesday and Friday? Means, what is the meaning of between? Between means बीच में. Which day lies between Wednesday and Friday? Wednesday और Friday के बीच में कौन सा day आता है? So can you tell me which day lies between Wednesday and Friday? Here is Wednesday, as you all can see, and here is Friday. Which day lies between Wednesday and Friday? Wednesday और Friday के बीच में कौन सा day आता है बेटा? It comes, the answer is Thursday. So we can write the day that lies between Wednesday and Friday. वेंसडे और फ्राइडे के बीच में कौन सा दिन आता है? वेंसडे एंड Friday is Thursday. So the answer is Thursday. Next question for you all is which day comes before Friday? Which day comes before Friday? Beta, please write your name also. What is your name? Write your name also in the comment section. Okay, now what is our question? Our question is that which day comes before Thursday? What is the meaning of before? Before means पहले. तो Thursday के पहले कौन सा आंसर सॉरी कौन सा डे आता है? Thursday के पहले. When we are talking about before, it means पहले. तो Thursday के पहले कौन सा डे आता है? Who can tell me the answer? Can anyone of you tell me the answer in the comment section? The day that comes before Thursday. Thursday से पहले जो day आता है that is Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday comes before Thursday. Okay. Next question is which day lies between Monday and Wednesday? Which day lies between Monday and Wednesday? यानी कि मंडे और वेंसडे के बीच में कौन सा डे आता है? मंडे और वेंसडे के बीच में कौन सा डे आता है? So what will be the answer of our question? The answer will be, can any one of you tell me in the comment section? The answer will be Tuesday. Tuesday lies between Monday and Wednesday. Tuesday आता है Monday और Wednesday के बीच में. Tuesday. Okay. This is our answer. When we last question for this exercise, last question is Monday. Very nice. Correct answer you have given me. Very nice. Keep it up. So next question when we talk about is which day comes after Thursday? Thursday के बाद कौन सा day आता है? Can you tell me? Thursday के बाद कौन सा day आता है? Which day comes after Thursday? Which day comes after Thursday? Give me the answer in the comment box. Which day comes after Thursday? Your question is which day comes after Thursday? यानी कि Thursday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? Which day comes after Thursday? Thursday के बाद. After means बाद में. So Thursday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है बेटा? The answer is Friday. Thursday के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? Fifth day. That is Friday. Friday comes after Thursday. Okay. Understood, beta? Let's move ahead. Let's move to the next part. Leo's first map challenge. Now we have some questions here. Before solving the questions, let me recap those 7 days for you. We know that everything in the time that when we talk about a week, a month, a year, all of these are made up of days. Everything starts with a single day. You have a single day every day. So 1 week is made up of 7 days. When 7 days are combined together, they form 1 week. So the week starts with Monday and ends at Sunday. The first day is Monday, second Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Very nice. Beta, your answer is correct. Very nice. Keep it up. I hope you will write your name. Please write your name so that I can know who is attending the class. Okay, now we have some questions. Leo's first map challenge. This is the first challenge that Leo has. Help Leo answer these questions to find the next part of his map. हमें लियो को हेल्प करनी है that he passes the bridge and moves to the next part of the map. हमें लियो की क्या करनी है? हेल्प करनी है बेटा. Okay. So first question we have to answer these questions so that he can pass the bridge. Which day is the first day of the week? फर्स्ट डे कौन सा है वीक का वो हमें बताना है. Which is the first day of the week? First means सबसे पहला means the week starts with which day? Can you tell me? The week starts with which day? Can you tell me the answer? The week starts with which day? You tell me. Which day is the first day of the week? The first day of the week is Monday. Very nice. Very nice. So the first day of the week is Monday. Monday. Monday is the answer. Let's move to the next question. It is which day is the seventh day of the week? Seventh day of the week. Now we are asking that which is the seventh day of the week means the last day of the week. As we all know that the week starts a week has 7 days, so when we are talking about the seventh day, that is the last day. So which is the seventh day of the week, which is the last day of the week? The last day of the week is Sunday. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday is the seventh day of the week, or we can say Sunday is the last day of the week. What day comes between Wednesday and Friday? Wednesday और Friday के बीच में कौन सा डे आता है? आप में से कौन मुझे बताएगा that which day lies between or comes between Wednesday and Friday? Between means बीच में. तो Wednesday और Friday के बीच में कौन सा डे आता है बेटा? The day that comes between Wednesday and Friday is when we start repeating our weekdays, then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday and then Friday. So Wednesday और Thursday के बीच में Wednesday और Friday के बीच में कौन सा गया है? Thursday. Thursday. Thursday comes between Wednesday and Friday. I hope this is all clear to you. Let's move to the next part of the map. Now what do we have here? We have 12 months make a year. 12 months मिलके क्या बनाते हैं बेटा? एक year बनाते हैं, एक साल बनाते हैं. A year is a very long time. When we talk about a year, it is a very long time. It is built from 12 big pieces. 12 big pieces combined together to form a year. And those 12 pieces, the 12 pieces that combine together are called months. The 12 pieces that combine together to make one year are called months. So, clearly, what is the meaning? We can simply say that 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 12 months combined to form 1 year. Okay. A year is a very long time. It is built from 12 big pieces called months. Let's learn their names. Now we will learn the names of different months. Okay. The names of the months. What are the names of the month? First, first month is January. That is, we are currently living in this month. January is the month right now. Second is February. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These are the 12 months of a year. These 12 months make up a year. What did I say? That everything we talk about, it all starts with one single day. Can anyone of you tell me that how many days are there in one month? How many days are there in January? Can anyone tell me कि जनवरी में कितने days होते हैं? Your question is how many days are there in January? Tell me the answer. How many days are there in January? Can anyone tell me? So before that answer, I will summarize to you that what did I say? That everything starts with a single day. एक single day से सब start होता है. Means when these day combine together, ये सारे days जब मिलते हैं, how many days? When these 7 days combine together, what do we get? We get a week. Very nice. We get a week. ठीक है? जब हम बात करते हैं किसी 7 days के combine होने की, when 7 days combine together, we get a week. And when these weeks combine together, we get month. And when these months combine together, we get a year. So did you give me the answer? 30. No, beta, your answer is incorrect. There are 31 days in January. How many days are there in January? There are 31 days in January. There are many months who have 30 days also. Like so many months are there which have 30 days. A month either has 30 days or 31 days. Okay. February is special. February has more days. Like when we talk about April, April has 30 days. And when we talk about June, June has 30 days. August, September, September has 30 days. October, October has 31. November has 30. And December has 31. So how do we know that which month has 30 and which has 31? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा बेटा कि कौन से मंथ में 30 डेज होते हैं, कौन से में 31 होते हैं? We have a trick for it. Okay, we have a trick for it. What is that trick called? That is called a knuckle trick. See, these parts of our hands, these are known as knuckles. Okay, when we move from one knuckle to another, we get a lower portion, right? जब हम एक नकल से दूसरी नकल पर जाते हैं, we get a lower portion in between. These lower portions denote 30 days and the upper portion denotes 31 days. So January comes in the upper portion, then we have 31 days here. Lower February has 28 or 29 days. March 31, then April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31. Then in the next hand, we get the upper portion again. That is August. August 31 days. September. Now September comes in the lower part. So it has 30 days. October 31. Lower portion. November 30 days. And again the upper portion. December we have 31 days. This is how you remember which month has 30 days and which has 31 days. We use the knuckle trick for it. February is special. February has either 28 days or 29 days depending on which type of year we are. Now we know that the months have different seasons. Different months have different seasons. So before moving ahead, before knowing the seasons, can you tell me which season we have right now? अभी कौन सा season चल रहा है बेटा? Which season we are currently going through? Which season is going through? कौन सी vacations आपकी बढ़ रही है? It is summer vacations, winter vacations, or spring, or autumn? Which one are we going through? Comment down below that which season are we going through? Which season is right now? It is summer, winter, autumn, or spring? हाँ बेटा, any one of you know? The season that we are going through is winter season. अभी कौन सा season चल रहा है बेटा? It is winter season. We are going through winter season. Okay. We have January month चल रहा है अभी. That is winter season. So what are we saying? That the 12 months of the year takes us through 4 beautiful different seasons. जो हमारे 12 months हैं एक year के, they go through different 4 different beautiful seasons that are winter, spring, summer and autumn. Winter, that is just going through, winter is the cold season. Okay, from December to February we have our winter season, that is a cold season. We wear woolen clothes in it, right? This one is the winter season, this that we are going through right now. Next is the spring season. When we will go to March, when March month will come, and from March to April we will have spring season. What happens in spring season? In spring season, new flowers bloom, new flowers aa jate hain, new plants grow in spring season. And then we have summer season. Summer season is hot season, in which we get the direct sunlight. From June to August we have summer season. Okay, जून से लेकर अगस्त तक हमारे पास कौन सा सीजन आता है बेटा? Summer season. This one is the summer season, right? We all eat ice cream in summer season. Okay, now the last one is autumn season. What happens in autumn season? In autumn season, the dried leaves, जो dry हो जाते हैं leaves, that fall from the trees. The dried leaves fall from the trees during autumn season. From September to November, we have autumn season. And again, then we have winter season, and this cycle continues. Yes, winter vacation, very nice. You are going through winter season right now. Can you tell me that when is your birthday? What is your birth month? At what month is your birthday? Yes? Can you tell me what is the month? In which month is your birthday? Write it in the comment box downside so that I can know, and then we will listen. We will interpret that which season is your birthday on. Next one is the Leo's second map challenge. Now we will help him solve the second map challenge. We are almost there. हम almost वहाँ पर हैं. Almost we have understood that what is a day, what are weeks, how many months are there, how many days are there in a month, right? We all have understood that much. Now what do we have here? Help Leo solve these last few puzzles to finish his map of the year. अब हमें क्या करना है? Leo की help करनी है to answer the following questions so that he understands that he passes this map of the year. First question, which is the first month of the year? First month कौन सा होता है year का? First month means the year begins with which month? Means it is the first month. First month is none other than January. So the answer should be January. January is the first month of the year. Okay, am I clear? Okay, let's move to the question number 2. First one we have done. We have passed through here. Now Leo has come here. Leo यहाँ तक आ गया है. हमें उसे पूरा यहाँ तक पहुँचाना है. That is, we have to take him to the treasure. We have reached the first one. Now he has come to the second one. Now we have to solve the second question. Then we will move ahead. First, second, which month comes after March? We are saying after March, यानी कि March के बाद. After means बाद में. So which month do we? Month comes after March? March के बाद कौन सा month आता है? So can anyone of you tell me that which month comes after March? March के बाद कौन सा month आता है? Can anyone of you tell me? Okay, very nice. Which month comes after March? April. Are 365 days in one year. That is 365 days. They all join together, combine together to make one year. एक year बनाने के लिए कितने days लगते हैं? 365. 365 days combined together to form a year. When you put all 12 months together, जब हम सारे 12 months को साथ में लाते हैं, 12 months from January to December, जनवरी से लेकर दिसंबर तक के सारे डेज को, सॉरी सारे मंथ्स को हम जब साथ में लाते हैं, दैट इज जनवरी, फेब्रवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, October, November, and December. When you put all these 12 months together, you get one full year. तब आपको क्या मिलता है? You will get one complete year, or we can say one full year. And a year has 365 days in it. कितने days होते हैं एक year में? 365 days in one year. That's a lot of adventures. Means we go through so many adventures every day, today, tomorrow, then day after tomorrow. And when such 365 days are passed, you move to a new class for new learnings, new things. That is 365 days. These 365 days form one complete year. Okay, so what did we say? That everything starts with a day. डे इज द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ आर मैप. सब कुछ किससे शुरू होता है बेटा? वन सिंगल डे. वन सिंगल डे. गो थ्रू all. Very nice, you are giving correct answers. Then these day, how many days? 7 days. 7 days combined together to form a week. 7 days एक साथ combine होते हैं क्या करने के लिए? एक वीक बनाने के लिए. एंड व्हेन दीज वीक्स कंबाइन टुगेदर, जब ये वीक्स कंबाइन होते हैं तो वो क्या बनाते हैं बेटा? दे फॉर्म मंथ्स. ओके, दे फॉर्म मंथ्स. मोस्टली 4 weeks make a month. 4 or more. 4 is the average we talk about. So these 4 months make a, sorry, 4 weeks make a month. And when we are talking that these 12 months, जब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि 12 months combine हो रहे हैं, तो वो 12 months combine होकर क्या बनाते हैं बेटा? They form a year. 12 months combine together to form a year. Am I clear? Okay. So what did we talk about? We talked that how many types of everything starts with a single day. A single day is the first block when we are talking about the map of time, or first block of calendar is day. Then these days these days combine together to form one week, which starts from Monday and ends at Sunday. Then months. How many months we have? We have 12 months from January. January is the first month and the last month is December. January to December we have 12 months together that form one year. 1 year में क्या meaning हुआ? That 1 year has 12 months. 1 year में कितने months होते हैं? There are 12 months in a year and 365 days in a year. 365 days combined together to form one year. And which year we are going through? कौन सा year चल रहा है बेटा अभी? Can you tell me? Which is the present year? Which year we are going through, or which is the present year? You have to write it in the comment section. Leo's map is completed. Leo का जो map है वो complete हो चुका है. Let's look at the finished map of time. Now let's see the finished map of the time. Okay, what do we have here? First of all, there is one day. What did I say? That everything starts with a single day. Okay, this one day started means सब कुछ किससे start हो रहा है? The first basic block of our map of time is day. So one day is the first block. Then we combine 7 such days. When 7 such days are combined together or put together, they form a week. One day से जब ये 1 days की बजाय 7 days आपस में कलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, so what is this known as? This is known as one week. It starts from Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is how we go through. And next, these from this week. How many weeks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. When these 4 weeks combine, they form 1 month. It either has 30 days or 31 days. And when such months, how many months combine together? 12 months. When these 12 months combine together, they form a year. It starts from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is these are the 12 months of the year. Okay, so these are the 12 months of the year. It all starts with one single day, one day, and when the 7 days combine together, they form a week. And when four such weeks combine together, they form a month. And when these 12 months combine together, they form a year. And 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year में कितने days होते हैं बेटा? 365 days. And if we talk about that which year we are going through, कौन सा year चल रहा है अभी? Then which year is it? It is 2026. 2026 year is going on right now. Okay? Yes, very nice. You have also given the answer. That is correct. Very nice. Keep it up. Now a question for a fellow explorer. As you helped Leo pass this map, conclude this map, then he has a special question just for you. That is, in which month is your birthday? Tell me in the comment box that in which month is your birthday. I think I already asked you and your answer was December. So I am writing here December. You have to tell me which month is your birthday in. And the adventure continues every day. Thanks to you, Leo understands the calendar. Now he knows every day that every day, week, and month is the start of a new adventure. That now we have concluded that what is a calendar? Calendar is a document that keeps the track of number of days, months, or years. We can simply conclude that everything starts from a day. And when 7 such days combine together, they form a week. When 4 such weeks combine together, they form a month. And when 12 such months combine together, they form a year. And a year has 12 months and 365 days. 365 days. Okay, this is the this is all for today. I hope you all understood that what is a day, how many days combine to form a week, how many days combine to form a week? 7 days. Then how many weeks combine to form a month? 4 weeks combine to form a month. And 12 months combine together to form a year. 12 such months combine together to form a year. 1 year has 12 months and 365 days. Either we can say 12 months or we can say 365 days. That is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson and you will remember it, the sequence of days and the sequence of months. Okay, have a nice day. Enjoy your day.